So student, the question is, if the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, then, and your options are, first option is a by h is equal to b by h is equal to f by g. Second is a by h equal to h by b equal to f by g. Third is a by h equal to h by b equal to g by f. And fourth is a by h is equal to b by h is equal to g by f. Now student, this question based on the basic concept that when this equation will represent a pair of lines and when this equation represents a pair of parallel lines. So I'm using here only the basic concept that since lines are parallel, so there are two things. One is h square minus ab equal to 0 and second is delta equal to 0. H square minus ab equal to 0, it means h square is equal to ab. Now we will use delta equal to 0. So the determinant a, h, g, h, b, f, g, f, c is equal to 0. And now we will expand it. Then you will get abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Now in this one it is given here h square is equal to ab. So now we'll substitute from the first. In this one h square is equal to ab. So it becomes abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square. So after substitution it becomes abc plus 2fg into root under ab minus af square minus bg square minus again abc is equal to 0. This abc and this abc get cancelled and you will get here af square plus bg square minus 2fg root ab equal to 0, which is root af minus root bg whole square is equal to 0. So student, you will get root af minus root bg equal to 0. So from here root af equal to root bg. So root a upon root b is equal to g upon f. Now if you multiply numerator and denominator by root a, so you will get a upon root ab. And if you multiply numerator and denominator by root b, then it becomes root ab upon b, and both should be same, and which is also equal to g upon f. Now from the first equation h square is equal to ab, so we can substitute here h square and we can substitute here h square, and then a square root of h square is h, square root of h square is h. Hence from first you can write here a upon h equal to h upon b equal to g upon f. So student, with the help of given options you can say that the third option is the correct option. A upon h is equal to h upon b is equal to g upon f. So option 3 is correct. Now student, I am taking another question. If the equation 12x square plus 7xy minus py square minus 18 plus qy plus 6 equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines, then, and your options are P is equal to 12, Q equal to 1. Second option is P equal to 1, Q is equal to 12. Third is P equal to minus 1, Q equal to minus 12. Fourth is P equal to minus 12, Q equal to minus 1. Now student, here also in the previous question we did two things. One is when this equation will represent a pair of a straight line and when this will represent a pair of parallel lines. Here we will use when this equation will represent a pair of straight lines and when this equation will represent a pair of perpendicular line. So student, you can see here lines are perpendicular. So therefore A plus B is equal to 0. Here A is 12, B is minus P, so this equal to 0. See, A that is coefficient of x square, B that is coefficient of y square, and hence you will get here P is equal to 12. Student, now you have to find out the value of Q. But student, you are appearing for IIT examination and you need to save so much time while you are solving the paper. Student, you can see the option. There is only one option which include P equal to 12 and there is no one contain none of these type option. It means your option first, that is P is equal to 12 and Q is equal to 1 is the correct option. Without solving the whole question, you get the answer of this question, P equal to 12 and Q equal to 1. But right now I am solving the whole question. Now we will find out the value of Q. Now since given equation represents a pair of straight lines, so delta equal to 0, that is ABC plus 2FGH, that is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Now we'll substitute all the values. A is given here 12, B is given here minus P, C is given here 6, F is given here, F is Q upon 2, into G is minus 9, into H is 7 upon 2 minus AF square, so 12 into Q upon 2 whole square minus BG square, so B is minus P into G is 9 square minus CH square, the C is 6 into H is 7 upon 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now we will simplify. It's 12 and P is again 12, so 12 into 12 144 and 144 into 6, so it is minus 864. Now it becomes minus 63 upon 2Q minus 3Q square. Now here also we can substitute P equal to 12 and 12 into 81, this becomes minus minus plus 972 minus 147 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now student, we will simplify and you will get here minus 3Q square minus 63Q upon 2, and you will get here after the simplification plus 108 minus 147 upon 2 equal to 0. So minus 3Q square minus 63Q upon 2 plus equal to 0. Now we can take minus 3 upon 2 again common, so you will get here Q square plus 21Q minus, now we will take minus 3 by 2 common, so we'll get here 2Q square plus 21Q minus 23 is equal to 0. Hence, the equation becomes 2q square plus 21q minus 23 equal to 0. Now we will factorize it and you will get here 2q plus 23 into q minus 1 equal to 0. So from here you will get q is equal to minus 23 upon 2 or 1. So therefore final answer will be the p is equal to 1. So final answer will be p is equal to 12, q is equal to 1, or p is equal to 12 and q is equal to minus 23 by 2. From the given options, now we will see that which option is the correct option. And you can see here the first option, p is equal to 12 and q is equal to 1, is the correct option. And I told you earlier also, and I told you at the beginning of the question that the option is the first option, because we got p equal to 12 and there is no option which include the p equal to 12. So option first is correct option, which is this one. Thank you, student. Now I'm signing off. In the next session, in the next class, we will meet again with some new questions. Thank you and goodbye.